25618 impact driver, part of the 18-volt lithium-ion family. This one with a slim pack, high-capacity slim pack. Very compact size, only 5 3/4 from one side to the other, and very lightweight as well, only 3.2 pounds. Nicely designed, very ergonomically designed with rubber around the handles. Feels really nice. The torque, 1500 inch-pounds, and the speed between 0 and 2800 by using this very nice trigger, very accurate. Impacts, this delivers 0 to 3200 impacts per minute. It has a 1/4 inch chuck on the front, easy on and off, and a LED right here, nice and bright. Variable speed, the trigger feels very good. Direction selection also very easy, both sides. Battery comes on and off very easy, and Bosch promises a 1-year warranty for tool and battery. Come check out our power test very soon. Now for our power test, we'll time how long it takes to drive 30 hex bolts into this piece of 2x8. That's it. We got 30 hex bolts in 3 minutes 51 seconds. The max noise levels were 112.7 decibels. For our battery endurance test, we'll keep driving hex bolts into this piece of wood until the battery dries out. That's it. That's what we were able to get on one battery charge. 48.5 bolts on one battery. I wanted to show how easy the drill bit comes off. One hand comes off. Easier than putting a new one on. That's it. It's on. Now we're going to see how the impact driver works with Phillips screws. Nice and smooth. Let's check a bigger. Okay, now that the battery is empty, we'll check how long it takes to charge, starting the time. And we'll get back to you once it's fully charged. That's it. I'm back 43, almost 44 minutes later. The battery has just finished charging completely. 43, 47 seconds, total 44.